Hi, this is Alex at Capital Tech Solutions, here to show you how to add a blog post in WordPress. The first step is to log into your admin dashboard. Then you want to hover over Posts and select Add New. You enter your title for your blog post in this top text bar. This large box down here is where you add your text content. I'm going to copy and paste in some placeholder text. You can edit your text content in the visual view, which lets you style it using these buttons up here, and even add media like videos and images. Or you can edit it in the text view, which lets you style your blog post using HTML. For most blog posts, you'll want to add a featured image. This is the image that will appear on the thumbnail of your blog post. And you'll most likely want to select a category, either from existing categories or adding a new one here. Once you're happy with the content of your blog post, it's always a good idea to save a draft and preview it before publishing. Once I've decided that looks good, always remember to hit the Publish button. So here we have our finished blog post. We can always edit it in the future by going back to the dashboard, clicking on Posts, and finding it in our list of posts.